welcome back to another video, and as you can see from the title today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make these profiteroles. I will leave all the recipe and the measurements down in the description below. Please make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and let's just get straight into the video. So we're going to start off with weighing the ingredients, and in a pan we're going to put in some water, caster sugar and a little bit of salt and butter all into the same pan. And in a separate bowl we're going to weigh out some plain flour. So now we're going to heat this up until it starts simmering. Once it has started simmering, we're going to add the flour and mix it all in together. So now that we've added the flour, you want to keep it on the stove and keep on mixing so we can let the flour cook out. So now that the mixture is ready, what we're going to do is put it into a separate bowl, and what I like to do is spread all the mixture out, like put it up on the side so it cools down quicker, and then we're just going to pop this in the fridge till it's fully cooled down. While we're waiting for the mixture to cool down, we'll crack 3 eggs and whisk them up so they come to room temperature. I have also got my piping bag ready with a round nozzle. Now that the mixture has completely cooled down, we're going to add in the egg a little at a time until it's all combined. So now we're going to start piping the mixture onto a baking tray, and you'll really want to make sure that they're all the same size so they cook evenly. Also, you want to make sure you don't pipe them too close together, otherwise they'll stick in the oven. So now I'm just dipping my finger in a bit of water and just flattening out the tops of the profiterole so that they're all nice and evenly round. So now we're going to put them in the oven at 180 degrees, and you want to make sure your oven is already preheated before you start. So these took around 28 minutes in the oven to cook, and I've just cut them open ready for the filling. So here we're just going to take 300 ml of double cream and mix it together with some icing sugar, and you just want to whisk this till it's semi-whipped. Now that the cream is done, we're going to put this into a piping bag ready to fill the profiteroles. And also we're going to melt some chocolate as well for the top of the profiteroles. And that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and see you next time.